Did a software update break the Ffwsregister.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get your specialized tools running again. This DLL file is a specialized helper library associated with Square Enix titles. It manages the registration and initialization of web-based game services and internal tracking systems used by certain Final Fantasy game versions. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Because the Ffwsregister.dll is required by game application to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of game application ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Ffwsregister file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Installing an unverified version of the Ffwsregister.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. A recommended diagnostic path for the Ffwsregister management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching game application today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.